In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the headlight bulbs in the Highlander Hybrid 2008. For a longer version, click the link on the screen. You don't have to pay $33 per bulb. The bulbs you need are H4 9003 style. These were about $8 for a pair on Amazon, as were these Phillips. Okay, let's start. Open the hood and look on your left. Remove the top of the windshield wiper fluid tube. Just give it a bit of a yank, should pop off, and then you need to remove the tube. Now pull the connector off the headlight bulb. Now remove the rubber grommet. To get the existing bulb out, push in and up on that little wire metal tab thingy and the bulb will pop right out. Make the metal tabs of the headlight bulb watertight by putting on some dielectric grease. To get to the driver's side bulb, you need to take off this plastic cover. Here you can see the load beam that went on this bulb that was in there. You can see the little filament floating around in the bottom. Keep the bulb that didn't blow as a spare, put in your glove box. So the $66 a pair OEM bulbs supposedly last for years. So the last bulbs I had in there were these Sylvanias for $20.75 a pair versus the $8 I paid for these Hellas and Phillips that I have in there now. Be smile on my